Hello, hello. How are you all? How are you all? So, welcome to another stream for what's the day? Thursday. Thursday afternoon. Guys, do share the stream around if you have friends who like to watch a guy in a mask do some streams. Do share it around. Do share with your friends. Well, before we kick off, let's quickly look at where the markets are. So lovely, NAS is heading towards previous day high. Expectation was that it would be happening. During the London hours, we were thinking, okay, where will NAS be going? And I was like, okay, seems pretty bullish. There are back-to-back fair value gaps. And what did we do? We took a long. I got stopped out a little earlier than I think around here. And then I didn't re-enter because I was just thinking it does not make sense. So we took this trade during the mentorship session this morning. Took it nicely. It went up quite nicely. Initially came down. I moved my stops to this low. I think we entered somewhere around here. Initial stops were here, and we were targeting 2R. So exactly 2R. And then after we had this shit looking price action, I was like, fuck this, I'm going to move my stops here, because if this fair value gap is inverted, then okay, fine, we'll be out. And then then the rally came, went higher. Lovely, nice little trade. Good to get back to winning ways. Had a horrible day before yesterday. Did not enjoy myself much. Was not too much fun, I would say. Just made mistakes, which is fine. It happens. But yeah, we are looking good right now. What I'm looking at right now is this market maker model that is currently playing out. So over here was the sell side of the curve, sell side, and then liquidity sweep, liquidity, and then buy side of the curve has started. What I'm expecting is previous week high and this high to be taken as well, hopefully. But the most important part is one of my mentees mentioned this morning that they are looking for this. So I don't know if they're in the stream or not, because I can't see the names here, but well done, well played, because I was targeting 2R and they were like, oh no, I will be going for those equal highs up top. So well done. If you took that trade and if you stayed in that trade for all that while, it is a beautiful trade with a very minimal, very minimal drawdown. So really happy for you. Good trade there. I want to see how we react here though. Once we sweep all these equal highs and we take out the previous day high liquidity, what sort of reaction we get over here will basically signify what really happens. Okay. So they got stopped out. I don't understand how you would get stopped out, but I will review your trade and I will let you know what mistakes you have made. Because there was no stop. Like, there is no sensible stop to be put even if you entered over here apart from this low. I don't know how you got stopped out, Ilyada. I have no clue. I'll need to review your trade. And please journal it properly. Otherwise, you know how I react. I'm a very strict teacher, by the way. Sometimes I hate myself. I'm abusive shit teacher. Yeah, but I got stopped out over here. Okay. So you got stopped out. Okay, cool. You got stopped out over here. That's fine though. If it's stopped out in profit, that's cool. The reason I was moving my stops is because I was asking for 2R, and I'm like, I'm not gonna give money back just because of that $2-3 or $5, price action. So I was being aggressive with my stops. I got stopped out over here. So my stop loss was a low of this candle. This was my stop loss. But that's cool. Stops are meant to be hit, and once they are hit, all you can do is either regret that they are hit or be open to losers, not worry about them too much. Unless you're making mistakes like I did day before yesterday, because of which I did not trade yesterday. So yesterday basically became a no trade day for me because I was being an asshole when it came to trading day before yesterday. So if I'm an asshole, then I don't get to trade. It's like a self-punishment that I invoke on myself, that hey asshole, you don't trade. So, and you entered again. Now this is not right. You don't, guys, see this? see this message here? Then I entered again but stopped out by a tick. This is something that you don't do once your time period is over. Once you have passed your kill zone, you don't do that. You are out of your kill zone. How did you enter over here? There was no trade. You can't trade over here. This is not in the kill zone. This is a no trade period. So not happy. We'll talk about it. So that's once you're out of your kill zone, guys, it's not necessary to be in a trade each and every moment. It is not necessary to keep looking for trades. What is necessary is that if you have made money, 1.7 hour is good money. So be happy. Alright, let me say my hellos before the market opens. Hello Daisy, hello Po, hello Ilyada. Well, I have already scolded you enough. Hello Kumar. I saw your message in the Discord, man. Good recovery today. Minting. We Indians are the best, bro. We are insanely good. Like, I think we are the, the traders. I'm just kidding. We are just, we just don't like to trade, I think. Whatever. So Kumar is up well today. I'm not going to jinx it, but he's up around 365 points. I saw it in Discord, so well played. I have the same kill zone indicator you use. The session high-low gets removed once it's taken out. Yeah, you can set it up, but I don't set it up. I like to see the sessions because the sessions are valid throughout the day. You just, you want to change it. You can basically go here and there's something called mitigation. Stop once mitigated. Turn it off. So turn this one off. Stop once mitigated. And they will stay forever. They will become your friends. Alrighty. Let's see. A lovely little Nassie boy. Nassie boy. Nassie boy. Nassie boy. Let's look at daily first of all. So guys, what do you see? 3 days in a row I've been talking about this, right? I've been telling you this trend liquidity, this trend liquidity, this trend liquidity. Yesterday we swept it. Look at the reaction today. Like, this is what a good looking candle looks like, which can change in the next 1 hour possibly, or even 4 minutes. But this is what a good looking candle is. It's basically opened outside and then just started rallying higher. So, I mean, I'm not going to say I'm going to be ultra bullish. We have moved up 1% already. So I'm not going to be ultra bullish, but I will say that any price, pullback is a buying opportunity. So anytime the price basically pulls back, it is a buying opportunity for you. So yeah, let's see. All that liquidity is gone now. Next liquidity area is nowhere to be seen apart from these highs and these highs. So whether the market just rallies to those highs or the market stays, underneath for a bit and then goes higher, we'll have to see. So yeah, maybe another 50 points move to, or 100 points move to 26,040 today. That would be great. Around 0.5% more, which could happen in a matter of minutes. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for. That's what I'm looking at. And yeah, let's see. Good morning, Nehad. Kumar, why are you laughing? Look at, you need to find a better emoji. This one doesn't show up well. Send another smiley emoji which is better than this. I don't like this. I need a new one. Alrighty. What about this friend of ours? Oh, gold is leaving a lot of equal lows. Well, on gold, any uptake might be a selling opportunity now. But you can't say. If this candle engulfs and if this candle closes this bullish, I mean, anything can happen. But I'll be looking at this area specifically for gold. This is the area of importance for me. I want to see what happens here. If it is to get rejected, it will get rejected here. I mean, if it goes above and does a change in state of delivery on 30 minutes, I would say new all-time highs in picture. And yeah, lovely. 2 more minutes or 1.5 minutes to go. Looking at some of the trades that I posted for the mentees, let's see. This guy was about to die but is alive now. This guy is in a small profit. Other than that, you are dead for me. Yeah, this one, Scroll Corporation, it's just stuck there. I mean, I don't know who all were there, who all have taken this with me, but if you have, I'll just move stops to basically below this bearish candle 1338 just to secure all the profits. So I'll just write it down here because I'm not posting it in Whale Room anymore, so I don't maintain these charts. I just move the stops and just let it be. Remgrow, NDSN, also nice little rally, so can move the stops here and just quickly before the market opens, which is very soon. Okay, so still a little bit to go. I'll take a TP on this as well. I'll take a TP on this and I move my stops higher as well. Kio is fine, this is fine. Apollo Tires is still dead. That's okay. Okay. Cool, yeah, that's it. Let's go back to NAS. It's about time. Nasi, it's about time. Open that candle. Dun, 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 dun. So let's see how we react to previous day high. Just keep your eyes on previous day high, guys. If there is a bullish reaction on the previous day high, I would expect higher prices. If none, then, well, we'll see. All right, so not a bullish reaction for sure. Let's see where it wants to go. There's no trade yet, so don't start jumping into trades. Give it a couple minutes, let it do its thing. Yes, it has swept previous day high, but it can go anywhere. So in the chat, good morning again. I just said good morning to you. Oh, that's the old good morning. So I'm keeping my eyes on this area. Okay, on the 2 minutes, it will be basically this whole slot. On can we go and trade below this, or do we start jumping up like we are trying to? Because if we are trying to jump up here, then that would give me an indication that the market does want to go higher. So let's see. So 40 more seconds to this 2 minute candle closure. Okay, sorry for being quiet. I'm just trying to read the charts, just trying to see what's happening. So first 2 minutes, nothing to see. Let's see whether we leave a 2 minute fair value gap. As of now, we are trying to, like, I mean, this is just the open. The first 15 seconds have gone by, but now there's nothing left. No fair value gap as such. So the market is still trying to decide where it wants to go. It's all about, can we go above this again and just sustain that? If we can, then we are going higher. We are sweeping all that liquidity. If we can't, then we are going lower and dying after that. Okay. Hello Gomez, how are you doing? So if I'm going to think about a long, it's going to be once we do a change in state of delivery here. Stops will be underneath this low, and I'll be targeting 2R. Just taking 2R, basically just going for this liquidity above if there is a long position. But there is a big if with that. We need to do a proper change in state of delivery on these candles. Before that, there's nothing. So until that happens, I cannot enter a trade. So just going to wait. So 4 seconds to closure. 1. Still that order block stands. And if we close below this and we basically invert that order block, then yeah, I don't know. So still waiting. Now the stop loss is going to be here. So I'll need to see another opportunity somewhere else. So no 1 minute fair value gap, no 2 minutes fair value gap. Still waiting on market to decide where it wants to head towards. But that's a good sweep of liquidity at last. Guys, keep throwing some questions. You guys don't want to just sit here because I have been told not to play that music that I had. So it will be very, very boring for you. Throw some questions. Shall I put the music back on? Do you use ATR in the opening calculation manipulation candle, or what is ATR for NAS now? Is it around 800 or 400? You can answer it later when. Yeah, I'll check it out. So I don't use ATR as such, but on smaller time frames. But I do have some strategy that uses ATR overall, but yeah, not as such, like not in intraday levels. So this trade is out of the window, at least like for now. I would want to see how we react to this first fair value gap of the day, if it is there, like at the end of it, and then I'll make a decision. So just keeping my eyes on how we react here. There's no trade yet, guys, not in a trade yet, just planning. Still just planning, just seeing what's happening. Is that right time zone on your screen, UTC? Oh, why is it in UTC -6? This is the right time zone, I'm sorry. Still nothing. I need to wait for this candle's closure. Still nothing. Okay, I'm gonna take a small shot. Stops will be above this high, basically the check. Let me just confirm that 1 second. Wait 6 more seconds, please. Not yet. Not yet. I thought the 1 minute has closed as well. So not in a trade yet. That candle did not close the way I wanted it to. Okay. I'll see what happens here and then I'll make a decision. Wait for this candle to close. And then I'll make a decision on what I need to do. Okay, I'm gonna take a position here. Half risk, just gonna go in half risk with the stop above there. Entry is somewhere around here. I'll go for 2 hour, nothing more. And I'll move my stops to break even as soon as we hit this high that is sitting here for London high. The moment we hit London high, I'll move my stops to break even. So let's see. So 2 hour, that's it, nothing more, nothing less. Stops are above that fair value gap retest, and yeah, in half risk trade. It's not a full risk trade, it's a half risk, just like a feeler position, just to see where the market wants to go. And I might just close it if I don't feel comfortable with it. But it looks good. It looks good to me. We have gotten rejected from there. We are creating a new low. We left a fair value gap, but then we decided to turn around completely, which is fine. If we get stopped on this, then I'll reassess and basically see where we get from there. But again, half risk, it's not a full risk position. I'm not going full risk into this position. 0.5 hour is gone, I guess. So that is closure. That is the closure for that. Half risk gone. So let's see. Let's give it 1 more minute and see what happens. So that is minus 0. Can I not put something like a banner or something? YOLO. What is this? Oh. No, that will look very odd. So can't I put somewhere like I'm down 0.5 or 0.6 or whatever are. So wait and watch time, guys. I mean, I was expecting it to kind of go through this area quickly just to take all this liquidity that was created, but it decided to turn around pretty aggressively and then to get rejected as well. So just waiting. Okay, this looks good. I'll take another try. This time the stops will be up here. And I'll basically go again for 2 hour. How is it looking? Have you inverted this? Not yet. Just hold on to your horses. Let it invert this one. So once it's inverted, then I'll jump in. This will be the last trade for me for today. And yeah, let's see. Still waiting on this inversion to happen. Till this inversion is confirmed, there's no trade. It does look good though. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it can reject from here. Nothing yet. No confirmation yet. Nice. Gold long. I don't know. I mean, there's still a lot of liquidity that didn't sweep all that liquidity that we were talking about. So there's still a lot of liquidity lying around. All those equal lows, they're gonna attract price, man. So no trade yet, nothing confirmed. So just holding on to our horses. Minus 0.5 hour for the session, plus around 1 point something hour for the day. Just waiting. Where do you want to go, my friend? Where do you want to go? So till the time now it doesn't do a change in state, there's no short. So you need to wait for a CISD on the 1 minute. That's a good inversion. Let's see. So oof. I was about to say that's a good inversion. I don't know if you guys heard it or not. Just waiting. I don't want to jump in yet. Just waiting, guys. There's no trade yet. Just holding on, just giving it time. Okay, we have it at last. I just want to see how, if we go down, how do we react to this fair value gap? If we react bullish, if we go down into this fair value gap and we can react in a bullish manner, I will take a long. If we invert this fair value gap, that will be a short for me. Okay, it's not left the fair value gap. It decided fuck you. So no back-to-back fair value gaps, and even if there is, then we have reached 250%. We have swept all the liquidity that is there. So no fair value gap as of now. 5 seconds. Oh, look at that. It left a small one. This will be fun to see. So it has reached 400% as well now. So that's out of the way. Nothing, no trade. We are stuck in the first 5-minute range. Okay, let's see. You're testing, you're retesting. Let's wait. We had a good reaction, yeah. A good reaction for sure. It's a beautiful reaction, but you want to see at least some sort of, follow through now. That follow through could be just inverting this fair value gap on the 15 seconds. I mean, I'll be happy to jump in. Well, like this could be the trade that you're looking for. Your stops could go, maybe your stops could go underneath this fair value gap, just for protective purposes, and then you can target higher prices from there. But you need to see this in getting inverted first. So once this fair value gap is inverted, that will give you a signal that yes, we want to go higher. Till the time that doesn't happen, then yeah, there's still the scary part. I'll analyze gold, cat. Don't you worry, my child. Just let it do its thing, guys. There's no need to rush. There's no need to jump. Just be patient. Just wait for the market to give you a signal. Okay, there's my signal. Come on, do it. Push it. One more. That's it. All right. So this will be my trade. I'll basically go for this liquidity lying above if I enter. I'm just waiting for this inversion to happen. Once this inversion is confirmed on the 15-second, that would also give me a confirmed change in state of delivery on this. Once all those things are in, that's when I'll jump in. Otherwise, I'm not in a trade. So this inversion is the most important for me as of now. Until that happens, I'm just measuring my moves, nothing else. So now the stops will go here if we are to enter. Still waiting for that FVG to give way. Otherwise, I'm just measuring moves, guys. Do not enter. There is no trade yet. I'm just measuring. Okay, looks like it doesn't want to go higher. That trade is out of the window. We need to wait now again. I'll take one last opportunity. It will be a full risk trade. I'm going to go short on this. This will be the last trade for the day for me. If I get stopped on this, that would be me done for the day. I've already entered. Entry is somewhere around here. So this will be the last trade of the day for me. This is full 1 hour. If this is a stop loss, then most likely it's going to be a break-even day for me. No winners, no losers. The reason I'm going short on this is basically this order block. We swept the liquidity, came down below. Even if I ignore this one, then there was this order block which swept the liquidity that was taken earlier at the market open. And then we have basically broken below and closed below this. So this is now turned into the breaker block. And I'm basically just measuring the 2-hour move and aiming for that 2-hour move to play out. Let's see. So that will be the one and only, basically the second trade I will take. That's the only trade I'll take. I'll not take any more trades after this. If it's a loser, then I'll just stop for the day. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see. All right. How's everyone? Enough of me looking at a chart and doing Tom, Dick, Harry stuff. What's up with you? Slumdog Millionaire music. Yes, Sean, I'll find it and play it one day. I don't know why you want to make me feel poor by calling me Slumdog Millionaire. I'll find it. Analyze gold. Let's look at gold quickly. Looking good right now. So gold is looking nice. So where's the 30-minute I wanted to see? So if we can close in the next 6 minutes above this area, I would really like it. But until that happens, there's no trade for gold. Looks like this market has today decided that wherever I trade, it's just going to reverse straight away. So we have left a fair value gap on the 2-minute inside the order block, which is turned into breaker block. So I'll just wait a couple more minutes. Maybe if we see any price action towards the downside, I'll move my stops to this high and let it sit there. I've had like horrible New York session trades in the last 1 week or so. Like not so much fun. But yeah, it's fine. It's part of life. Take losers on the chin and move on. Questions, people, come on, questions. You can't just not ask questions. I think I'll just create a strategy, trade against whatever I think I want to trade with. I'll just start trading against it. So if I want to go long, I'll go short. If I want to go short, I'll go long. I don't know, Greenland invasion, whatever invasion. Like you sweep the liquidity twice, you start to come down, you leave fair value gaps, and then you just invert. So it's like proper seek and destroy. Create liquidity, sweep liquidity, create liquidity, sweep liquidity. So yeah, you're meant to lose trades in that scenario. You can only follow your strategy and be like, okay, I'm going to do this when this happens, and you do it, and then the market is like, you know what, fuck you, motherfucker. So then at that point you can't do much. So yeah, it's fine. That's why you manage risk. That's why you take a winner in the morning and then you can lose that money in the afternoon. And tell your wife there is no food tonight. That's part of the game. I mean, if I don't complain when I have good months, I can't complain when I'm starting off bad. Like first week of January was one of my biggest ever weeks I've had in trading. And then comes this week and it just fucks me up completely. I think overconfidence maybe. That could be the reason. Overconfidence is a bitch. The markets, yeah, no food, exactly. I'm not even a slumdog millionaire now, a slumdog poor guy. So like now the song has to be some slumdog slum. Come on, mate, just fucking go down. We had this chat before as well, yes? Remember? When I was basically losing a lot of money and I told you to do what I asked you to do? Yeah, remember guys, that chat that we have with the charts every now and then? Just a little bit more. Just please go up, chat. That's my conversation with NASDAQ right now. Okay, let's see. Well, if there is a change in state of delivery, I'll move my stops to previous day high. I'll reduce the risk a little and take it from there. But yeah, the market is in a seek and destroy template today. It's clear seek and destroy. We swept liquidity. So first we swept this liquidity, went lower. Then we swept this liquidity and we thought we were going to go higher. Then we swept this liquidity. We thought we were going to go lower. And now it's just trying to make up its mind. But yeah, clearly seek and destroy. Something is happening in the world which is just stopping this market from behaving at all. In those days, you just take two losers and you run away. You don't try to force yourself on the market. You don't try to do things that are against your rules. You just take one or two losers, and if it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. You just step away. You go away. You don't do anything. You just relax. Spend time with the family. If you don't have a family, then you go to a brothel. Spend time with a prostitute or something. Yeah, up to you. Whatever suits your boat. That was a bad joke. I think I'm going to get banned one day from YouTube. I don't have control over my language. And I mean, this is so bad. Man, we Indians, Imagine Narendra Modi gets to know that I talk like this. He's gonna be like, this is what we have taught you when you were an Indian. I mean, I'm no more an Indian, but when I was an Indian, I mean, I still feel like an Indian in my heart. Like every time I see curry chicken, I'm like, dude, tomorrow is going to be a lovely day in the washroom. Sean loves it. Sean, but you are not the Prime Minister of India, bro. You are just Sean or Daniel. I mean, what's your first name, by the way? Muthu's curry. Okay, so that's a fake DP. This guy is an Indian, guys. He's gonna stay on the stream like this forever. Oh, Muthu's curry is gonna stay there. I like that. I like people knowing about all these Indian shit. Muthu's curry. And it's literally coming below my name, so it's like I'm the Muthu's curry, the red chili one. Alright. This friend of ours is trying to do something which it can't. You're just fucking around, Nas. You are just fucking around. Alright, questions, guys. Come on. You want me to stream just to give you trades, or you want to learn? I mean, I can keep talking about, stupid things and nothing will change. But ask questions. This is your time to ask good things. Learn from the experience of a trader who has lost a lot of money. This is your time. If you will ask those questions, that is when these whale room people, right, talk about stupid stuff. We love it. Oh man, I like it. We should love your SL, na. Why should you love our SL? Oh, lower, or isn't it? Okay. We should lower our SL now, isn't it? If it goes back up now, it's almost likely. Yeah, it is. But I can't until I get a change in state of delivery. See, moving SL, Kumar, is not based off whether it will turn around and hit your stops. It is based off whether you can see another entry in the same direction. Because once you see another entry in the same direction, that means now your SL can be moved to the place where the new entry stop loss should be. Because, fine, I can move it over here. I'll save what? Maybe $100 on the trade. But it can also go back, hit this, sweep the liquidity of this high just by minor and touch this and return back. So it's a decision that everyone obviously makes based on their back testing. For me, what matters is once we have given a signal in the opposite direction, that's when I can move SL. Antonio says, we just hit the 15-second OB. Wasn't it a chance to exit the trade? I mean, if the aim to trade is to exit the trade, if it is going in a losing state as soon as possible, then yes. If the aim of the trade is to let the trade play out, let the thesis play out, then no. I mean, it's still trading under this 2-minute fair value gap, which got inverted, then back down. So, in simplest of terms, this trade is still valid. We are still trading inside that breaker block. So, no. Yeah, on lower low and CISD, yes. I mean, even if it creates a lower low, I'll be happy to move my stops. But until then, I'm happy to take that risk, man. If we don't take risk, Kumar, we'll never make money. It's as simple as that. You have to take risk to make money, and you have to manage risk to keep being profitable. And in this trade, the management right now is to do nothing. Sometimes doing nothing is basically the best management of a trade that you can do. Because it's not like you don't have resting liquidity below. You have London Q, London low, Asia low. Everything is just sitting there to be tapped. How about silver, oil, life trade too? I don't trade silver. Oil as well, I don't trade. I don't trade CFDs, Sean. That's the thing. I basically prefer to trade futures. And when it comes to silver, like I have a strategy that works very well on silver, but I mean, who will spend that much time analyzing a chart, waiting for a trade? You know, it's a waste of time. Do you trade commodities live since it's? I mean, I'm an intraday trader. I really don't care what is running, what is not. What I care about is can I get my 2 hour and run away? If I can get my 2-3 hour in a day, then I don't need to worry about anything else. Do you get it? Like, I don't care about the asset. What I care about is, am I getting my 2 hour for the day? If I'm getting my 2-3 hour for the day in the session, then to hell with the. Why do you do? I mean, I took up trading because I didn't want to look at the do anything. I was a lazy fuck. Like when I used to work for someone else, I used to feel you're paying me salary because you are stupid. Because I cleared your interview, that doesn't mean I'm good at it. Because I'm lazy as fuck. I don't like to work. Oh no, swing trades. Okay, now you're talking. Yes, swing trades we can take. Swing trades. Okay, I'll introduce this going forward into the stream. I'll talk about a couple of swing trade opportunities on Forex and commodities. That can be done. That's a good one. Good ask. I only charge 50% of the profits made by anyone. You can transfer it to my USDT address. I can share it with you. Thank you very much. I like you. Thank you for calling our call center. Take care. Bye-bye. In an Indian accent, if I could not copy it properly. By the way, do I have a distinctive Indian accent or do I have like a mixed Indian accent? What would you guys say? Like, I can't hear myself. So when I talk, I feel I'm the most posh guy who has ever been born. So I'm just trying to get to know, because my wife says that you still sound Indian. I'm like, fuck you. So tell me, is it like proper Indian accent, or is it like okayish Indian accent, or is it like you don't belong anywhere? Distinctive. Okay. Fuck you guys. I have a British passport. I've ruled, my ancestors have ruled half the world. I mean, all the ancestors were being ruled, by the way, but they have ruled. Now, because I'm British, so I can say I have my ancestors have ruled. Okay, I got it. Stop saying proper Indian. That's fine. I got it. Okay, fine. I'll work on my accent. Fine. Happy. No, I travel back to India every year, at least twice. Posh Indian. See, that's why I like Jackie more than you guys. At least she puts me in the right category. Persian. Do you have a Persian background? No, I don't have a Persian background. I'm British now. So, Britishers were ruling over most of the world at one point of time, the Commonwealth shit. And they ruled over Indians as well. So, I kind of ruled over Indians for a while. Wherever you go, just take their history. Looks like it's going to be a long day, guys, with this price just bouncing around like a fucking retard, not doing anything. Oh, by the way, I didn't show anyone, right? Let me show. People who are in Discord might have already seen, but my mentees made such a nice picture. How do I share it? I'll need to bring this guy over. Okay, if I bring this over, yeah, do like this. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, then I'll stop sharing for a second and then I'll share again. I just want to show the picture. I'm very happy with that. See? Can you see? Can you see? Okay, there it is. They made this picture. Cute, right? So these are all different characters. Basically, I don't know. I still don't understand this one. So what is it? Like some X-Men? But yeah, they made this nice picture for me. Cute, right? They're nice people. Well, let's go back and see whether we have lost the trade or not yet. Oh, we have not lost it yet, so that's fine. What do each character? Each of them is basically a person sitting in here. In this, each of them is one zoo of traders, exactly. We have a cat, we have a bull, we have, what else did we have? I forgot now. Cat, panda, oh I forgot panda, and the chicken. And yeah, we have all of them. You can laugh on them, trust me. One day when they will be printing money, then I'll talk to you guys. I can already see a YouTube account of Poe soon enough with his shiny bald head. No, Bangkok, not just Persian ruled everything. Even British tried to rule some places. Specifically India, 200 years. It was fun. I hope so. Yeah, you are the second son, for sure. You'll just do like this and it'll be like, good morning. Every day if you do London streams, you'll be like, and a blue light comes out, and yellow light comes out, and you're like, yeah, good morning, guys. No, we had our graduation party yesterday. We all had beers. It was fun. Alright, this price action is utter shit and nonsense. I am going to try and breathe now. So I'm going to remove this mask stop this stream, remove the mask. And in regards of what I want is that, I mean, if you want, to be honest, I'll move my stops as well to this area. We have created a lower low. Even though it's a tiny lower low, but we have created one. So I'm going to move my stops to this over here, reduce the risk a little. And in regards of TP, first TP will be over here in this liquidity. Second TP will be London Q1 high. And if it keeps going down, I'll even aim for these Asia low and London low. So very much open to those areas as well. But yeah, with that, I will call it a close, guys. 54 minutes of trying to breathe through this mask was enough for my lungs, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm planning to basically unveil my face one day. My beautiful Indian face, with a little bit of white beard here and there. Nicely uncombed hair. So yeah, one day you will get to see me. But till then, take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the afternoon stream. And yes, as always, it was lovely losing some money with you. Cheers. Bye.